What's up, everybody? Tonight we're going to be making restaurant-style beef burritos. So, cheers, let's cook. The first thing we're going to do is make a nice little burrito sauce. So let's get on over to the stove and get that started. We got a little pot heating up. To that, I'm going to add just a couple teaspoons of oil. And we're going to go in with 6 ounces of tomato paste. I'm just going to stir that around, let that tomato paste cook for a minute. Next, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. You just whisk that until it's nice and smooth. Our seasoning for that is going to be 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1.5 teaspoons of oregano. Then I got 1 chicken bouillon cube. We'll add a teaspoon and a half salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Just whisk that all together. Our sauce has come to a simmer, so I'm just going to turn that down onto low. We'll start cooking our beef. For the beef, I'm just going to heat up a large pan. Let that pan get hot. Now I'm going to go with 2 pounds of ground beef. I want to have leftovers. You guys could always cut this in half and just do a pound of beef if you'd like. I'm just going to break up that meat while it browns. That beef is browned off. I'm going to turn my heat off and just drain that fat. Got that fat strained off, so now over medium-high heat, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of water, and then I'm going to season it with 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of oregano, and then we'll finish that with about 2 teaspoons of salt, as well as 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I'll just mix all that together. Turn that down to medium-low. Let that cook for another 5 minutes or so. Our beef is looking good. We've cooked that water out. It is time to put these together. Now to assemble, I'm going to take a flour tortilla. I warm that up right on the stove top, or you could throw them covered into the microwave for a little bit. Just a couple seconds. Get some beef in there. We're going to fold over our edges, fold that bottom up, just wrap that up nice and tight. Time to top it. All that's left to finish our burrito is to take some of that burrito sauce we made. We're going to ladle that over the top. I made 2 because I'm hungry. We're going to take some of your favorite queso, or if you'd like to make your own, I will leave a link to the recipe at the end of this video. Pour some of that over there as well. We are ready to eat. We've got some awesome beef burritos here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget there's a link for that queso right in the corner. You can also click that little picture of me and subscribe to the channel. Got a bunch more stuff coming out. Guys, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.